Ripple effect in Apple Motion. You can find the ripple effect here on the filters, distortion, ripple. So ripple effect creates an animated ripples over the surface of an object. So let's apply that on our group. I have prepared two items on my group. I have an image and also a text in here. Once you apply the ripple effect, it will automatically create or affect your layer. When you press spacebar, you will see immediately the result of the ripple effect. The ripple effect contains parameters such as the center that controls the X position and Y position. Amplitude sets the width of the wave, crop, and mix. I have mentioned earlier that the center controls the X and Y. Amplitude with a default of 50, so we have this kind of ripple on our layer. Then if we increase this one, we will have this kind of look. And at 0, there's no effect at all. Let's reset that. Mix is just the percentage of blend mode between the effect and the layer. Alternately, you can think of it as the turn on and turn off of the effect. Let's go back again to amplitude. If we press spacebar or play, you will notice that here on the right side, there's not a lot of ripple going on, while here on the left side, there's a lot of ripples. The reason for this because our center starts from here. That's why there's no ripple coming from here. So let's move this around. Then you will notice that the center is the start point of the effect itself, other than the position. If we select crop, it will crop the effect based on the bounding box of the image itself. Okay, let's try to turn on the pixel resolution of our group. So if you turn on the pixel resolution, you will have this different look itself than earlier. So with pixel resolution on and pixel resolution off. Now let's take a look once we apply the ripple effect on our text. So because here is the center, so this is the start of the effect itself. Of course, you can animate the position or the center of the ripple to make an animated look on your layer. For example, similar to this. So that's how to use the ripple effect in Apple Motion.